So we're on our way to Sage Street to check out one of our current projects, Sage Landing, developed by HMR Developments. It's a public holiday here today, so I've got my leading hand with me, Layla. She's going to help me sort some things out on site today, so let's go check it out. We're really happy with the progress since our last update, and all the praise has to go to our site supervisor, Tim Jensen. We have 11 of the 13 slabs down already, and 2 of the houses are plastered and ready for kitchens next week. Framing and roofing continues as planned. As you can tell, we're really excited about this project, so we'll give you an update next month.